Hi, today we're going to be looking at the Chinese method of multiplication. We're going to be using the multiplication 24 times 3 to practice this. So we'll need to start by drawing a rectangular grid, which will be 2 squares along and 1 square down, because we have a 2-digit number times by a 1-digit number. Next, you add diagonal lines starting from the top right corner and going down to the bottom left corner to divide each box in half. We then add the numbers to the sides of the square, 1 digit per box. So 24 times 3. As we multiply, we will multiply one box at a time. So starting with 4 times 3, which gives us 12. You put the 10 of the 12 in the top box and the 2 of the 12 in the bottom box. The tens column will always go in the top box, and the ones column, formerly known as the units column, will always go in the bottom box. So for this box, we'll be multiplying 2 and 3 together, which gives us 6. So we put 6 in the bottom and 0 at the top. To get our answer, we add along the diagonal lines. So our first line will be 2, which gives us the answer of 2. Our next line will be adding these two together to give us 7. And our final line is 0, given that 0 add 0 will give us 0. So our answer will just be reading those numbers left to right. They become our answer. So 24 times 3 would be 72. For double digits, the same basic principles apply. However, the only difference is the number of columns and squares you have. So you will need to have one column per digit. For instance, we've got here 274 times 63, which, when you go on to here, will look like this when you draw it out. So there's one box per number. So we'll start with 4 times 6, which will give us 24. 4 threes for 12. Remembering that we're putting anything that's in the tens column in there, and anything in the ones column will go in the bottom box. We then have 7 sixes to give us 42, 7 threes to give us 21, 2 sixes to give us 12, and 2 threes to give us 6. So then we add along the rows, starting with 2, then we add along there, just highlighting each of those. That gives us 2. 4 add 1 is 6. On this one, we come to what to do when we have too many numbers. We have 6 add 2 for 8, add 2, 10, add another 2 for 12, which means we need to put the 2, which is in the ones column, at the bottom, and we carry the 1. So this one is there and then gets added as normal. So we have 2 add 4 for 6, add 1 more to make it 7. And then our top column is easy, and we just get 1 add 1 for 1. So therefore, reading along, we get 274 times 63 is 17,263. No, it's not. 262. I can read. So I did that wrong. If you want to give it a go without looking at the answers, here are a set of practice questions and answers. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.